We have woken up to the very sad news on the passing on of Mukami Kimathi, the widow of Field Marshal Dedan Kimathi Washuri, the hero of our liberation struggle, the man who led our gallant freedom fighters to drive away the white colonialists and get our freedom back on our land. Mukami Kimathi has been the symbol of resilience. She has been the symbol of our defiance to oppression. She has been the mother of our liberation struggle, and she has been the beacon of hope surrounding the freedom fighters and their descendants. We are therefore, as a nation, very, very saddened that we have lost our mother, and we want to send our condolences to the family, to the people of Nyandarua, to the people of Nyeri, to the people of the Central Kenya region, and indeed the entire country. I want to say that the President is equally saddened by the loss of our mother, and I want to confirm that the government will designate a very senior officer later this morning to work with the family as we prepare to give the late Mukami Kimathi a dignified send-off. Once again, we send our condolences to our freedom fighters and the descendants of our freedom fighters, wherever they are. The late Mukami has been an inspiring figure in terms of building our resilience and our commitment to say no to oppression. As we prepare to bury her, we continue to ponder about the land question that thousands of Kenyans who fought for independence live in squalor and poverty, despite the fact that the British government had set aside land for their settlement. And these are questions that in the coming days we shall continue to have a discussion on how this historical injustice can be addressed one day. We want to say it's a very great loss, because all of us have been rallying behind Mukami as our mother and as a symbol of our resilience and our struggle. And we therefore want to say that the family is assured of government support during the preparation of the burial itself, and thereafter as we proceed on.